We spent a lot of effort and time on this, so I'm extremely pleased and excited to announce the launch of our new website. Having spent the last few weeks developing our new website, I'm extremely pleased to announce that it is finished. It's now available at saravji.org. How it all started was with a placeholder that was there for a few weeks after I got the domain. And how it is going is an web page based, of course, on Flask. On this central web page, I'm going to be collecting all the materials. We're going to be expanding it. We're going to be collecting all the materials, all the articles that I have written are going to be collected onto this web page. This web page is going to be the new central hub for Saravji. You also see all our socials linked, including our new Discord server. So please feel free to sign up and join us there. And all the learning paths, all the learning educational materials are collected, and the learning paths and the writings is going to be all the articles. And then we have technical helpers like a syntax highlighter, so you can select between most programming languages that are out there, or languages that are out there, with quite a number of styles. Just to demonstrate it, you can optionally include line numbers, and then you actually get a nicely highlighted version of your code. Copying to clipboard works on most browsers, most platforms, and so please make sure that you're double checking if it works for you. If not, you simply can highlight everything here, right click and copy. The formatting is completely getting copied, so you can copy and paste into any word processor and with this formatted form. Additional helper is a live markdown editor. So while you are typing, it's actually formatting it as it would be formatted out of the markdown. And if I can spell, it also helps. So you can see a live editing how the markdown is coming out. An additional helper that is available is a Mac zip file cleaner. This is a nifty little script with the instructions of one of my students. It helps the Mac users to clean zip files, to actually eliminate the Mac OS system files that are automatically being dumped into a folder. And of course, then when you're zipping the folder, they are also included in the zip file. This script and these instructions are how you can clean this up. Please check it out. Hoping to see you soon over at saravji.org. I appreciate you dropping by. Please subscribe. I'm done here. Fire to that.